said that he can spawn in like buggy cars, please do that.
Help me! Help!
Okay, guys, so I'm recording right now for a YouTube video.
Spawn in free buggy cars.
There's a griefer.
He's a Rambo.
I need to record a show the name to send this to Coda because honestly, he's killed me like 30 times by now. Where is he?
Oh, who's Coda? No.
Okay, this guy. KN. He's been griefing a lot. And this guy too. He's been helping him. It's like they're teaming on me. So, please try to like, do something about it. Look, I'm showing you proof. I'm not gonna say it. I'm recording. Okay, prove to you. Because whenever he knows I'm recording, he doesn't do it. Watch this. Right there, you see him? That little dot. He thinks he's funny. Hold up.
Yellow! You're dead!
Yeah, Cody, don't you see that? You don't see that, Coda? You don't see that? Like, he's honestly been griefing me for like an hour now. It's not even funny, Coda. Like, you can literally see he just built something to murder me. See, he's not even hitting me. He's hitting midair. What the heck? He's cheating. He's cheating. Hey, what's up? Ooh, what's this? What is this? Bro, what is this? I wonder what that is, bro. Bro, you're literally cheating. You're not even hitting me. What the heck? Okay. Okay. Discord? Discord, hold up. Discord? Discord? Go to the Discord, Animal Company.
I'm really cheating because I literally aimed you. Am I cheating?
Looks like
Yes, you're literally cheating. You have that like barely long sword. And you're like hitting me
It's
from
a
like 30 meters
Vecnator!
away.
You mean 30 meter, man.
Animal Company.
You're just
Mommy!
Perfect.
I'm pushing your body away.
I don't care. Just hit it away. I'm still reporting you.
Hush.
Accept. Invite. Okay. Now. Okay, perfect. Found the reporting Discord part.
Am I supposed to breathe here?
Okay. Yeah, just kill me. Still recording.
Kitty robot.
Still proving that you're griefing, like when I'm doing nothing to you.
God, please
Look,
have
see,
a
he's
mini
still hitting me
robot.
for like 30 meters away. Look, it doesn't even matter.
Why?
Cheater. Okay, hold up. Discord. Discord.com. Discord.com. Log in. Okay, I need to sit down for this.
You're faking it.
Okay. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, that is the end of the video. Yeah, I know I'm still recording, right?
Have I ever said to record?
No, but I can record it to my own. It's my own rights to record anything, except for weird stuff. Okay.